Mary, who is she? Hi, I'm Mitchie. Nice to meet you, Gabriella. What a nerve. How could she do this to us? Right, it's like living in hell in this classroom. Hello, Earth to Joy Bolton. Did you just say something happened between you and Shar? Gab, he's playing with you. If I were you, I'd stop this right this instance. BTW, you don't belong here, so go away. You look like a toad with a glass slipper. OMG, is that Joey? I think I should get my lip gloss done. What did you just say to me? Do you even recognize who you're talking to? FYI, I'm Princess Tess Tyler. Now step aside. So, she's Ice Queen Sharpay. Let's be friends with her, Tawny. No, she's still the queen? I can't believe it. Gabriella, girl, I have an excellent plan to destroy Sharpay. Just do as I say and you'll get Troy back. It's just as simple as 1, 2, 3 and as fantastic as ABC.